Sahyadri focuses on building competencies in youth to contribute to the nation's goal of becoming a $5 trillion economy. The flagship program, Sahyadri Science Talent Hunt, focuses on creating awareness among school and college students, encouraging and supporting them to build solutions for the societal problems. The foundation course brushes upon the concepts of mathematics and science to ensure laying a strong foundation in the freshers who have enrolled into engineering. Bridge course at Sahyadri is a perfect synonym for joyous learning. The course assures transfer of engineering knowledge with a fine blend of co-curricular and extracurricular activities. The students also enroll into a social innovation program that enhances their problem-solving capabilities and guides them to systematically build solutions for societal problems. Students' Project Support Scheme earmarks ₹1 crore for seed funding students' ideas focused on impact and are built using the facilities provided in the launchpads. These centers provide tools and resources to like-minded students. The Launchpad for Design and Development of Products focuses on developing community-centric products. The Launchpad for Robotics helps students in automation and mechanizing processes. The Launchpad for Automotives focuses on sustainable alternatives for mobility, and open source community emphasizes on developing software to digitalize the service and product industry. For building solutions in the augmented, virtual, and mixed reality space, the Launchpad for AR, VR, and gaming is set up. The best ideas stemming out of these centers are incubated in the Government of Karnataka funded New Age Innovation Network, where students are guided to build enterprises. The college provides a hybrid learning approach for students to build technical competencies in new age skills by setting up an industry hub. To facilitate these student-centric industry-focused initiatives, Sahyadri has also set up 3 Centers of Excellencies that aims at cutting-edge research, providing consultancy to the regional industries and sharing the knowledge with the students. Sahyadri emphasizes on nurturing entrepreneurial mindset and has developed an ecosystem that has given rise to 6 alumni-led startups and 13 student-led companies in the campus. Sahyadri has also set up 3 full-fledged industries to provide industry exposure, mentoring, and to create an industry-like environment in the campus, while catering to the requirements of esteemed clients such as DRDO, nuclear power plants, Honda, Ericsson, and the likes. The above approach, coupled with the soft skills training as well as rigorous solving of aptitude tests, helps students to get placed in the career of their choice. Our students have bagged the highest package of ₹40 lakhs per year and have witnessed more than 150 companies offering more than 600 jobs in every year. Sahyadri aspires to be an innovation hub with every mind ignited to walk in with an idea and walk out with a product. Sahyadri envisions to be an education hub where the youth of the nation are molded to be the leaders of tomorrow.